Regenerative Regenerative stem cell therapy is becoming the future of health and healing. Matt Gianforte of LifeWorks is here to fill us in on the new life-changing treatment. It's tough to say and tough to understand as well. So talk about what stem cells are.
So stem cells are they're the master cell of the body, right? They have the ability to regrow and repair and regenerate degenerative tissue. You see, when we're born, about 1 in 10,000 cells are a stem cell. So think of when you were young and you're out playing in the neighborhood and with your your friends and biking and bumping around. You go to bed that night and then the next day, what do? You wake up and you do the same thing over again, right? Now, people go out and they mow their yard and the next day they can hardly walk, right? Well, the reason why is because when we're young, we have stem cells to help this repair process. As we age, by the age of 80, 1 in 2 million cells are stem cells. And so stem cells are changing the way people are healing on the inside today because they have the ability to regenerate and heal.
Okay, so that's where you come in. How do you work with stem cells?
Yeah, so stem cells, according to the literature, they really have 3 main features, right? They have the ability to seek out degeneration. So why is that important? Because so many therapies that we have today for, say, arthritis and chronic pain are degenerative. So drugs and surgery, they're just treating symptoms and so forth, right? So these cells have the ability to seek out degeneration, repair, and regenerate. They're anti-inflammatory. And what disease process out there today isn't inflammatory? And then the third is they're immune modulatory, which means that they can begin to boost your immune system or balance it out. And who doesn't want a stronger immune system, right? So
where are you getting stem cells from? Because I think most of us would assume like this is something that's found in our stem, in our spine, that you're drawing like a bone marrow.
Sure.
But that's not where you're getting these.
That's not where we're getting these from. Okay, so remember how I said earlier, the younger the stem cells, the more there are, and what the literature is showing, the more potent and vibrant they are in the healing process, the anti-inflammatory process, as well as the regenerative process. So our medical team decided that the best source of stem cells was umbilical cord blood stem cells. Okay. So these are from healthy birth babies. They've all been tested. And what's great about these cells is they're immune privileged, which means that they're not going to react when they get into the body, and your body's not going to reject them because there's no immune markers on them to reject.
Kind of like you think of a heart transplant, you have to take medicine for the rest of your life because it's not your tissue, whereas this is different.
These you don't. It's almost more like a blood transfusion in a way.
Interesting. Okay, so these are the building blocks of our body, essentially.
And
I'm sure someone out there is saying, where do you get the umbilical cords that are donated?
Yeah, so there's labs all over the country that use umbilical cord blood, right? And so what is almost every mother asks today when they have a baby? Hey, do you want to donate your umbilical cord? And so this is where this is coming from. So it's an easy source to get really vibrant cells to help people begin to regenerate. It's non-invasive. And so it's an abundant source and very healthy.
Is this the future of science in a way to treat disease?
This is the future of healing.
And
health.
Interesting.
And this is changing the way people heal. It works especially well with people with chronic pain, knee pain, back pain, hip pain, degeneration, neuropathy, and other chronic pains into the legs and hands and arms. It's incredible the changes that we see in our patients today as a result of regenerative stem cell therapy.
And you have something coming up. You have an event
we do,
coming up.
Yes. Next week, May 29th, we have an educational seminar on stem cells. So you can learn more on how this is going to help healing potentially in your body or others.
Fantastic. For more information from Dr. Gianforte, go to that seminar. It's on stem cell therapy and how it can help you. To register, go to jointpainkc.com. LifeWorks office is located in Shawnee. You can call them at 913-441-2293 or online at LifeWorksKC.com for more information. We'll have a link, of course, at kclive.tv later on today. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it.